Every growing business reaches a point where data is no longer the problem. Making sense of it is. Sales reports, employee productivity data, operational metrics, all available, but decisions still delayed. Managers spend hours filtering reports. Teams depend on analysts. By the time insights arrive, the opportunity is already gone. This is where TrackOlap AI Report Assistant changes the game. Instead of digging through rows and spreadsheets, imagine simply asking, who are my top performers this month? Which team is underperforming? What's the sales trend this quarter? And within seconds, you get clear answers, visual charts, and actionable insights. No technical skills, no manual effort, no delays. Just real-time AI-powered business intelligence. Identify top and low performers instantly. Track sales performance and workforce productivity. Compare trends and forecast outcomes. TrackOlap doesn't just answer questions, it helps you ask better ones. And when insights are ready, they're immediately usable. Export reports, share with stakeholders, and take action faster. Because in today's business environment, speed defines success.
TrackOlap ensures your data turns into decisions instantly. AI-powered sales analytics, workforce intelligence, and business insights with TrackOlap.